guys, good morning and kakagising lang natin guys. It's 0400 hours early in the morning and don't mind the background. Sorry. And our today's content is if it features natin yung information in especially the architecture of Medical Center of the Zamboanga del Sur, and pupunta tayo doon by just doing jogging. So malapit lang kasi sa amin, Balangasan to Dao, more than 5-kilometer run lang to guys. So let's go. So exercise muna tayo na doon. Kasama ko nga pala si my fellow cadets, deck cadet Anadon. So dalawa kami ngayon magja-jogging guys. So it's very dilim pa ngayon and yun muna tayo guys. This is so much ngit. It's so much fun. Okay. Break muna kami guys. So we are here at Banali. So ito guys, ito yung Zamboanga del Sur. Ito na siya guys.
The Zamboanga del Sur Medical Center, ZDSMC, is a Level 2 hospital in Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. It is the only Level 2 hospital in the province that is owned and run by the local government unit, LGU. ZDSMC is a center of excellence in healthcare and training. In the one district of Zamboanga del Sur, the Zamboanga del Sur Medical Center, ZDSMC, authorized by the Department of Health, DOH. For a 110 hospital bed capacity, is the only hospital that offers medical services to the health needs of the people. It is being managed by the provincial government of Zamboanga del Sur. Unfortunately, ZDSMC is burdened by the admission rate of 250 to 300 patients per day.
ZDSMC laboratory.
These patients are not only resident of the province but are residents of the nearby provinces like Lanao del Sur, Lanao del Norte, and Cotabato.
So guys, ayun lang, and I am hoping that may nakuha kayong informasyon. And salamat sa panonood. Thank you. Bye-bye.